Hello friends, myself Halavat Ramesh, Research Scholar Department of Chemistry, Laila College, Chennai, University of Madras. Today topic is COVID-19. Today we will talk about COVID-19. The word COVID-19 is very familiar word to nowadays. Okay, so COVID-19 have lot of questions, millions of questions nowadays. How everyone peoples still now there is no complete information. So from that today I will introduce a brief introduction about the COVID-19. Okay, let us talk about COVID-19. Okay, if you have any doubt please click on like and share comment button, and I given here the mail ID. Okay, you can go through the first one slide. So introduction. Out An outbreak of novel coronavirus 2019 was began in Wuhan, China, has spread rapidly with cases now confirmed in multiple countries. Okay, see the second one point. The spread of coronavirus is the most serious global health security threat in decades. Okay, if you see that, and our third one point, our heart go out to all who have been affected by the outbreak, and we are deeply grateful to the thousands of healthcare workers who are on the front line to help their communities. Really, the doctors and nurse and scientists and who are doing some social work, really they are grateful to control of coronavirus. So first one question you have, the big one question is, where was the origin? So the virus which originated in Wuhan food market has spread across the world with a maximum damage in China followed by Japan. So the first coronavirus is introduced in Wuhan food market in China. And second one question you can see, what does coronavirus mean? What is the meaning of coronavirus? Coronavirus officially referred to a group of RNA virus that causes different disease in human and animal. It is caused by a member of the coronavirus family that has never been encountered before. Like other coronavirus, it has come from animals. The next one question, this question is very important. If you really see this question, what is the effect of temperature and coronavirus? See, there is a new virus. Completely, this is there is not enough information to available in the temperature, for the temperature degree at which this virus is killed, and therefore one can see that some scientists say that coronavirus will kill in summer. Even the India also, the blindly some peoples are believing that summer season the corona is be inactive, but the other hands some scientists says no. But some researchers have shown that coronavirus can be inactivated within a minute by disinfecting surface with 62 to 71 percentage of alcohol or 0.5 percentage of hydrogen peroxide, bleach or household bleaching containing 0.1 sodium hypochlorite. These are the three chemicals to make the coronavirus inactive. Okay, but what about the temperature? But researchers have shown that related coronavirus that causes or could be killed by temperature above 56 degrees. So is one of the hottest temperature. Even the when you are doing the bathing, no, it forms a hund. Above 56 degrees Celsius or 132 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit, the temperature of coronavirus will be killed. This is the some researchers are shown. The next one question is sorry, what are the symptoms caused by the new coronavirus? If the coronavirus will affect on our body, what are the symptoms of coronavirus? The virus can cause pneumonia. Those who have fallen ill are reported to suffer cough, fever and breathing difficulties. In severe cases there can be a organ failure, as this is the viral pneumonia. Antibiotics are of no use. If you suffer these things, antibodies also, antibiotics won't work out. The antiviral drugs we have against flu will not work. Recovery depends on the strength of the human's immunity system. So you can see that nowadays India, day by day cases are increasing in coronavirus, but the most of the people are coming from recovery. So recovery means nothing but of the strength of the immunity system depending on recovery, right? So many of those who have died were earlier in poor health. Okay, and someone having the one question, yes, the virus being transmitted from one person to another one person, still have blind question. Some people they so there is no transmission, but China National Health Commission has confirmed human to human transmission, and there have been such transitions elsewhere. Then what is the new name of the coronavirus? This is another one question. Coronavirus means deadly coronavirus was officially renamed as COVID-19 by the World Health Organization on February 11, 2020. The name is short form for the virus. CO stands for corona, VI stands for the virus, D stands for disease, and numerical number 19 stands for the year it was detected. Okay, then how to protect yourself from the coronavirus? This is very important. So how to protect yourself from the coronavirus? Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, on use the alcohol based hand rub and to clean your hands. Second one point, while coughing and sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with flexed elbows or tissue. Discarded the tissue immediately into a closed bin, or clean your hands with the alcohol based hand rub or soap and water. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and the people who are coughing and sneezing and have a fever. Fourth one point, if you have a fever, cough and difficult to in breathing, seek medical care early. Okay, so I will show you here figure symptoms of COVID-19 flu and cold. COVID-19 see dry cough and fever, running nose it will be not, but sore throat and the breathe less, very less breathe, headache and body ache, sneezing, faith and diarrhea. These are the, from this figure you can easily understand what are the symptoms of coronavirus and flu and cold. And if you see the really structure of the coronavirus, again coronavirus, the structure is made up of three proteins like N protein, spike structures. I will show in here figure M protein and E protein, spike protein of coronavirus. If you see that you can see a big color of morphology of coronavirus COVID-19, the E protein and S protein and M protein will be showing the clearly in outside. If you see that the graph, easily can understood how the corona cases day by day increasing in the worldwide. You can see that yellow color Spanish day by day how it is increasing, green color is Italy and France, blue color and South Korea and United States of America. You can see the day since in the cases passing and reported cause of the lakhs. Okay, you can see that what are the symptoms of coronavirus. I will show here the anatomy of our body structure, how it is affect our human body. I will show here in figure. So high fever, coughing and the main difficult to pratama and the kidney failure. This the figure you can easily understand the symptom. Really, if you like this video, please click on the like button and share and comment. And for more updates and more if you want to really want to see that about the coronavirus, please click and like button and share and comment. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel for your boost to me, and thanks for your great patience for listening my